Hey, this is A.O. Hey, honey, where we going?
We're headed to the Opal Sands Resort on Clearwater Beach.
Hey, Opal Sands Resort to the Clearwater Beach. Gonna go there and do some chilling and relaxing. What are we gonna do there, honey?
Well, it's a fairly new resort. That's what I'm super excited about. I believe it may be approximately 2 years old. But we're gonna go to the beach. We're gonna chill on our balcony.
What are we gonna do at the beach?
Chill on the beach. We're probably gonna go in the water, get wet a little bit, check out their spa.
We gonna what? We gonna what?
Yes, we are going to check out their spa after
And get what?
the beach. Well, we'll see how things go. I mean, the plan ultimately is to get lit, but we want to have a good time, relax and chill.
Good, relax and chill.
Yes, that's
Cool.
our plan. So excited about that. Their check-in time is 4, so we're a little bit late, but not much. I'm hoping they offer some type of happy hour, which will be pretty exciting because they have appetizers and stuff like that. They may have dinner specials before 7, so we'll see. But we do have a room with a balcony and an ocean view.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm so excited to get there. Not so busy. It's midweek. All the kids are back to school. Things are a little bit slow, so hoping to take advantage of the whole place without having to wait in line and do all that stuff, because there shouldn't be many people there, honey.
Cool.
Yeah. And I think this will be the first time our Volvo is going to be parked by valet, correct?
Wow, that must be correct.
Yeah, all they have is valet parking, which is fine. But we've never had anyone other than ourselves drive our car. So, are you okay with your car being valet parked?
Oh yeah, no big deal.
Okay, good, good. When we're done, we can do a review for booking.com if you want, and we can do another review on your channel and let everybody know how the Opal Sands Resort in Clearwater is tomorrow once we check out.
Hey, sounds good.
Checkout time is 11, so I guess we'll have to ask them if we can have a late checkout. 12 o'clock maybe?
For an extra $90, of course you can.
You never know what they're going to say, but we're going to try for sure. Continuing on with our rest and relaxation as long as possible while we're on the beach. Looking forward to seeing what type of sand sculptures they have in their lobby. That's hint why, oh shoot, okay, we're good. Why they're called Opal Sands. So I'm excited about that too, honey.
Cool.
We should be there probably in maybe 15 minutes.
Bet.
Yes, we should. It's 90 degrees, so the water temp should be decent. I think we're gonna have a good time, honey.
Cool.
The plan is to continue to film once we arrive inside, so your YouTubers can see inside the resort.
Your YouTubers.
Okay, our YouTubers.
Yes. Yes.
It's gonna be cool to go on the balcony because tonight we can just chill and watch the sunset.
Yes, that sounds cool.
And the car will be parked in their garage, so once we leave tomorrow, the temperature will be nice and cool inside our Volvo. The breakfast pics looked fantastic.
I bet.
So we'll see.
Does it include breakfast?
Not sure. I was too busy trying to book at that great price that we got, so I wasn't able to read all of the fine details. I'm thinking not, because most of the fancy places don't. They charge a little bit extra. But when they do, it's still always a nice breakfast, good quality, and the portions are a decent size.
Oh, cool.
Sorry about that, my love.
That's fine.
I believe Pinellas County schools returned this week as well, so hopefully the traffic won't be too crazy, honey. We should be there shortly, I'm hoping.
Bet. Well, this is AO. Remember, subscribe, comment, keep watching. Love you, and we'll see you later.
Thank you.